Kathryn Hills here from the EUPISD Lifespan Program, and today we are going to be making a Michigan Harvest of the Month recipe called Herbed Vegetable Combo. This makes an awesome summer side dish made with things that you can grow right here in your garden in Michigan. It includes celery, bell pepper, zucchini, yellow squash, onion, and tomato. All right, let's give this a try. All right, I hope that you give gardening a try this summer so that you can make this awesome recipe. If you don't, you can find all of these ingredients fresh at your local farmer's market. All right, have a great day.